the life cycle of the ladybug. And here you're going to see these different photos of the stages of the ladybug's life cycle. First, we have do you guys remember what those are called? Eggs. Can you see the word at the bottom? The first stage of the life cycle is the eggs. After that comes the second step. See the number 2? What is the second stage called? If you said larva, you said the correct word. It's the larva. After the larva comes the third step, and that is the pupa. After that third step, we have the fourth and final stage, and that is the adult ladybug. I hope you guys were able to remember those 4 stages, and let's try them one more time. So first we have the egg. Second comes the larva. Third, we see the pupa, and the last phase of our transformation is the adult ladybug. And that's the end, boys and girls. I hope you guys can draw me a picture of those different stages.